How to restore deleted messages on iPhone. Guys, this is very simple. Let's try and restore some deleted message on this iPhone. In today's video, I'll give you two tips. Tap on the message icon, tap on the settings button here, edit button here, tap on recently delete or show recently delete button. Now here are the messages I've just deleted on this phone recently. Now to restore any of this message, tap on this button, tap on recover, then tap on recover three messages inside these messages. Tap on recover three messages, then tap done. So come over to this place. You should see that message here. That is how to recover deleted message on your iPhone. And if that does not function very well, maybe it's above 30 days, let's go to settings and see some options here. Go to settings and tap on settings. Once tap on settings, tap on this option. Now tap on iCloud, tap on see all. Now that I've tapped on see all, go ahead and tap on message on iCloud. Make sure that this button is toggled on synchronize. If it does not toggle on, you might not be able to recover your message. What this does is that it saves your message in iCloud. Then come to the keep message. Make sure you select forever or 1 year or 30 days. This has to do with you guys. Now make sure you tap on synchronize. So once tap on synchronize, you should see your status here recently synchronized, and the number of message you save on iCloud will come up here. So guys, that's all guys. If you enjoyed this tip on how to recover deleted message on your iPhone and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.